Have you ever felt like a tree was watching you, or that your houseplant somehow knew when you were having a bad day? Sounds like fantasy, right? But what if I told you? Science, mystics, and farmers across the world have stumbled upon one shocking truth. Plants think, plants feel, plants respond. Welcome to the silent intelligence of plants, a journey into one of the most mind-bending explorations of nature's hidden life. Inspired by Peter Tompkins and Christopher Bird's groundbreaking book, The Secret Life of Plants. By the end, you might never look at a tree, flower, or even a weed the same way again. Let's begin in the 1960s. Lie detector expert Cleve Baxter had a strange idea. What if plants could feel? So he attached a polygraph machine to a Dracaena plant. He watered its roots and watched the needle move, almost as if the plant was excited. Then he thought, what if I threatened the plant? He imagined burning its leaf with a match. Before he even struck the flame, the polygraph needle went wild. It was as if the plant read his mind. Baxter tried again. Different plants, different situations, even boiling shrimp in another room. Again and again, plants responded. Were they feeling pain? Or was this something deeper? A hidden web of consciousness. Soon, others began to wonder, could plants enjoy music? Experiments showed corn thriving to classical symphonies, but shrinking away from loud rock. Yes, even plants have taste. Some bloomed faster, produced sweeter fruit, or leaned toward speakers playing harmonious sounds. Today, farmers in Italy play Mozart in vineyards. In Japan, rice fields are serenaded daily. And the results? Healthier crops, stronger harvests, a little symphony of abundance. So perhaps music isn't just for us. Maybe it's a language plants understand too. Now, picture Scotland, 1962. A community called Findhorn moved onto barren sand dunes. Soil experts declare nothing can grow here, but soon, vegetables bigger than people's heads emerged. Cabbages the size of barrels, flowers that seemed impossibly vibrant. Scientists were baffled. The soil was still poor, the climate still harsh. The Findhorn gardeners revealed their secret: daily meditation and communication with nature spirits. Whether you call them devas, energies, or imagination, the plants responded. Findhorn remains a living mystery. Proof, perhaps, that cooperation with nature can unlock something greater than fertilizers ever could. Elsewhere, some farmers abandon chemicals altogether. Instead, they turn to radionics, a method that broadcasts vibrations to shift energy fields. In England, farms saw fewer pests after radionic broadcasts. In Latin America, coffee plantations sprayed subtle energy water and found plants more resilient. Today, some biodynamic farmers quietly use radionics alongside compost, lunar cycles, and crop diversity. It sounds absurd, but for those who practice it, it works. In Japan, Shinto rice farmers still chant blessings before planting, not just as ritual, but as an invitation for protection, abundance, and harmony. Across the world, indigenous farmers echo this truth. Native Americans sing to corn. Vedic farmers chant mantras at sowing. Science may call them traditions, but to the plants, perhaps they are conversations. Now, modern science is beginning to catch up. Plants warn each other of danger using chemical signals. Through fungal networks, the Wood Wide Web, they trade food, share information, even send nutrients to weaker neighbors. Some studies suggest plants remember experiences and change behavior accordingly. So maybe they don't think like us. But they are far from passive. They are active, responsive, alive in ways we are only beginning to understand. If plants are conscious, even in their own way, then farming is no longer just chemistry. It's relationship. It means forests are not just resources, but communities. It means your houseplant might not just be decor, but a quiet companion. And it means the universe is not divided, but deeply interconnected. We've journeyed from lie detectors on plants, to Scottish miracles, to ancient chants and modern science. But this is only the beginning. If you'd like to explore more, you can check out the full 5-part blog series, The Silent Intelligence of Plants, on ZenFusion. And for those who want to go further, I've linked the Secret Life of Plants book below. Who knows? Next time you walk through a garden, you might feel eyes on you. And maybe, just maybe, they are